Hi friends, good morning. Today is 29th and it is Sunday, and again as usual I am ready for the ride. I am now at Mount Carmel Chapel, Ponda, and I'll be joined by Vipul, and we have planned to go to Chandreshwar Parvat Paroda. So on the way to KPM from Margam. I'm at Baitakal now. It is 6:30 and you can see Vipul have not reached here, and I have texted him, but I think his mobile is switched off. But he has posted me good morning today, so I hope he is joining me somewhere in between. But I am leaving now. Nice view of sunrise from Borim here. Hope you will also enjoy it. Little by little, nice reflection is also coming in the side by lake. Lot of birds in the lake here, but this view is priceless. You can see here. I'll zoom it for you. It is going to be a hot day, but we cyclists are used to this. Vipul had called me in between now, and as he is joining me. Good morning, Vipul.
Good morning.
Welcome. See that sunrise, man. Isn't it nice? Beautiful, no? Just have a selfie photo. We'll wait for some time if you want, and then we'll continue. Good morning. We are passing nearby Rashal Seminary now. Once upon a time, Swami Vivekananda had also visited here. Patriarchal Seminary of Rashal. And here is a monument from the Portuguese era. This was a gate. Something. Now this is from the back side. I will show you the front side too. This is near the seminary only. This is now Rashal Ark, as it is written that there on the board. It is written that it is a Rashal Ark. And, up there you can also see that is the, I think, mark of the Portuguese rule. So in the backdrop you can see that Rashal gate there, and here there is a little one. What is her name? Lian. Ride the bike. Come on. With a nice helmet and all. Very pleasant. See? This is nicely riding. So this is the future. I'll show you the close-up of a bike. What is your name? Yes, say your name. Hi, say hi. See, hello. See here. She's shy. Okay, nice. Thank you. Here is a church. Sermon is going on. And some cyclists have also come here. As you can see here. They are not with us. There is a group. This is their group. They come with somebody. Hi, Ari! Congrats on 200! See, all colleagues are here. Say good morning. Yeah. And where are you up to?
Nature ride.
But it was nice ride. Support ride. Not elevation was not much. That much.
Yeah, it was
Accordingly.
around 2000, nearing 2000.
Nearing 2000.
Yeah, but then before that we both had done the Shashti 200 route. We both did.
Yeah. Okay. This is now ferry point. Yeah. And this group is going for ferry ride. Nice. This ferry crosses to where, right? Shiroda. The birds have started to come in here, and in few months we'll be seeing a lot of migratory birds here. And here, if you can see the beautiful bridge. We have to take right Sri Chandreshwar Bhutnath temple. We have met here Fintan. Fintan, say hi. Yeah, we have met Fintan. Fintan has done 5 rounds of this climb now, and we have asked him to do one more round with us. And we are trying to climb this thing Parvat non-stop. See, let us see how far we will be successful here. In the backdrop, you can see the Chandreshwar gate. We will have to go under that gate. And how many kilometers here?
5 kilometers.
Around 5 kilometers. And what will be the elevation around?
350.
350 elevation. Without wasting any time, Vipul,
Yeah.
Pinton and myself are trying to reach the top of the hill here. Slow and steady wins the race. I'll be trying to ride through it non-stop, and so I'll ride slowly and steadily. Now try to catch Finton and all. Finton and Vipul are strong riders. So I requested Vipul and Finton to ride little bit slow so that I can catch them. Otherwise they are very fast. You can see in the blue and white t-shirt Finton and green jersey Vipul. One record has been set just this month. Prince Kulaso from Sasti Riders Marga. He climbed this climb for record 18 times in 12 hours. That's a record time. Record times of climbing in one go. Here the KOM King of Mountains for this segment is Mr. Vinayak Gaonkar from Goa. He is the fastest one to climb this climb. I think the finish point is in sight. Both Finton, I can see Finton and Vipul also resting there. So I have completed this climb now without waiting anywhere, without touching my feet. Straight I have come to the finish line here. Yeah. Thank you, God. So there you go. We three of us have climbed. I for the first time, Pinton for the sixth time for today itself, and Vipul first time. Are you climbing first time? Vipul is climbing for the first time. So this is a nice moment for us now. Hooray! Hey! We are at the top of the climb now. This is the topmost part, and where the temple is there. Please give like to this video and share it to others. Subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. And friends, I'll be with you with another informative video. Till then, bye.